Good morning, Year 6, and welcome to Friday Morning's Maths here with Mr. Long. And today we're doing some more work on algebra. But before we do, let's look at some total recall based on things that we've done in the last week or so. Here's your first three questions. Pause them now and have a go. Okay, I'll show you the answers now. If you haven't paused, do so. And the answers are a plus 5 equals 19. So A must equal 14. F times 7 equals 27. F times 7 equals 28. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. F equals 4. And then E, take away 11 equals 97. So E must equal 97 plus 11, which is 108. Excuse me, on to today's algebra lesson. We're forming expressions. And I think I want to explain right at the beginning of this lesson that some of this sounds really complicated and yet it's really easy. Okay, so just listen carefully and trust me and we'll be fine. Okay, so it looks a bit odd, it sounds a bit odd, but actually it's really basic if you listen carefully. So that's why we'll be making links and I'll need your resilience. Just trust me and we'll all be fine. So our new piece of key vocabulary today is the word expression, or to express. Before we do that, let's look at the work we were doing just yesterday on Thursday. So complete the outputs for the function machine below. Once again, pause for you to have a go at this. So here are the answers. 6 times 2, take away 5. 6 times 2 is 12. Take away 5 is 7. Did you get that? And 2 plus 3 times 6. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Hope you got that at home. So let's go back to this English vocabulary. What do we mean by an expression, or to express something? Got two twos in there. To express something. So, an expression is something referred to as a saying. If we have there's a strange expression. Time flies when you're having fun. Isn't that true? It goes a lot slower when you're not having fun as well. And to express something, simply means to say something or to share your views about something. So, expressing in maths just means the simplest way of writing something, writing a number or a sentence, or what we call an algebraic formula. But for example, look at this. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals. That could simply be expressed as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 lots of 2, 2 times 7. Now today's lesson, we're not even interested in what the answer to 2 times 7 is. I know, you know, it's 14, but that's not what we're looking at. We're not solving these equations, we're just simplifying them. That's all we're doing today. So, express this in its simplest form. You can do this. So I'm not asking you to add these up, I'm asking you to express this question in its simplest form. Pause now and have a go, then I'll give you the answer. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 lots of 3, so we're going to express this by saying 3 times 5, or 5 times 3. It's the same thing, isn't it? Doesn't matter which way you write it. Hope you got that. In algebra, you'll see the expressions written like this, 3a plus 1. And you may have been thinking, well, I haven't got a clue what that means, 3a plus 1. Although yesterday, do you remember we looked at, or it might even be at the beginning of the week, in fact, we looked at you could have a letter being replaced by a box or something. 3 lots of something plus 1 equals. Okay, well, that's fine if you're trying to find out what a is. But if you never know what a is, we're simply trying to find this in its simplest form. So, excuse me. Sorry about that, my phone was going. So, when we see a number in front of a letter, it just means lots of. So 3 lots of A, or multiplied by 3 times A. It means the same thing, lots of and multiplied, doesn't it? 3 times 5 means 3 lots of 5. Okay, so that's all it means. The number always comes into the letter. It can even be a symbol. It could be a circle or I don't know, a strawberry. 3 strawberries. Here, look at this. Here are 4 pencils, right on the left. 4 pencils. I don't say here are 4 lots of pencil, or 4 times pencil, even though that's exactly what I mean, don't I? I mean, there's 1 pencil there, and there's 4 lots of those pencils. We just know that if I say 4 pencil, it means 4 lots of pencil. For algebra, it's exactly the same. So we could express a pencil as P. It doesn't have to be P. It could be any other letter that you like. You could even draw a pencil if you like. So we don't need to say 4 lots of P, or even 4 times P. We simply express it as 4P. And we know what's missing in there is lots of. Okay? So 4P just means 4 lots of P. Have a go at expressing these in their simplest form. F plus F plus F. And the next one. Triangle plus triangle plus triangle plus triangle plus triangle. Pause now and have a go at simplifying these expressions. So here we go. I'm sure you got these. F plus F plus F is the same as 3 lots of F. 3F. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. 5 lots of triangles is written as 5 triangle. Okay, I hope you're seeing now just how simple this really is. Now, if we think back to our first example of 3A plus 1, we just need to understand that the A is not the same unit, if you like, as 1. Think of it like this. 3A, got 3 apples here, plus 1. It's plus 1, it's not plus 1 apple, so it's 3A plus 1 isn't 4 apples. It means 3 apples plus 1 other thing. Maybe it's a banana, I don't know. It could be anything. But 3A plus 1 is not 4A. It's 3A plus 1. So, circle the function machine that does not show the correct expression. Which one of these 2 below does not show the correct expression? Pause now and have a look. Okay, so here's your answer. The incorrect one, 4 times 3 plus 2, is not written as, P plus, oh goodness me, P times 3 plus 2 is not written as P times 3 plus 2, but 3P plus 2. Remember, we don't need to say P times 3, we say 3P, 3 lots of P. Simple as that. Why don't you have a go at this? Choosing one of these 3 boxes to go in this box. Find the missing function. What do we need to put in here to create A divided by 9? And what do we need to put here to create 10B? Pause now and have a go at these questions. So here's your answers. A divided by 9 is A divided by 9. Simple, isn't it? B multiplied by 10 is 10B. Not B10, 10B. 10 lots of B. Okay. And finally, before we move on to your task, going back to your links page and doing your calculations, I want you to have a look at this. 5D plus 2 plus 5. Now, we can't solve this calculation. I'm not asking you to come up with the answer because we don't know what D stands for. D could stand for anything, remember. It could be pencils, bananas, apples. We've already discussed that. We don't know what D is, so that doesn't matter. But we can simplify the expression. The plus 2 and plus 5, we can say 5D plus 7, because we've grouped together the things. We've grouped together these numbers. Now, have a look at this. 7E plus 3 take away 1. But there's no extra e's. We can't group together any e's other than we already have, 7e. But what about this? 3 take away 1. Well, we can do that. We don't need to leave that. So we can simplify that by saying 7e plus 3 minus 1, 2. 7e plus 2. That's it, simplified. Have a look at this one. Can you see that we can group the b's and group the numbers? Pause now and have a go at this one. 3b plus 2b plus 7 take away 2. And here's your answer simplified. 3b plus 2b is 5b, plus 7 take away 2 is 5. So our answer is 3b take away 5. I hope that makes sense. It's now time for you to go on with your task. So, I simply want you to go back to your links page. We've got bronze, silver, gold, and challenge. And I want you to work through steadily and see how you get on. If you find this really easy and you whiz through in 5 minutes, please don't stop there. Go further. Be ambitious. I've seen a lot of people getting 100% correct on B and then not even trying a single C on bronze and not even trying a single silver. If you've got time, have a go. Bronze onto silver, silver onto gold, gold onto challenge. They're really tricky for your year 6 today. So have a go, and I hope you get on with it well. Once you've done that, enjoy the rest of your day and have a lovely weekend. I'll see you again on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye for now.